The Executive Yuan on Thursday approved its bill of economic bailout measures for COVID-19. The bill offers relief to sectors like tourism and transport, which have been hit hard by the virus fallout. It gives tax breaks to businesses that offer paid leave for workers who need to go into quarantine. It also allows people in home isolation or quarantine to seek compensation from the government. This bill will be submitted to the legislature, where it has a broad consensus and is expected to pass next Tuesday.
The Executive Yuan finalized its economic bailout bill for the COVID-19 outbreak on Thursday.
Medical personnel and any staff involved in epidemic prevention, medical treatment, or healthcare at public and private medical institutions will be given subsidies or allowances. People in home isolation or quarantine have had their personal freedom curtailed. In accordance to interpretation number 690 of the Constitutional Court, they must be granted reasonable compensation. So we have decided that they can seek reasonable compensation within 2 years. The bill also contains tax incentives for employers who are willing to pay employee wages while on epidemic isolation leave.
The proposal includes epidemic prevention mechanisms, bailouts, revitalization measures, and penalties. The budget is set at 60 billion NT, and it will be in effect until the end of next June.
Of course, we are happy to see the Executive Yuan put out this special bailout bill because it is indeed extremely necessary now. When people are on public health care leave, they will get the relevant subsidy. Of course, the KMT has already proposed that this be in line with the 60% salary given for parental leave. Let's take care to look after entry-level people and workers who are affected. We very much look forward to this, to seeing living expense subsidies and company compensation become enshrined in law. The approach adopted this time is unlike that of former President Ma Ying-jeou's cash vouchers. Afterward, it was discovered that the cash vouchers had been ineffective. If firms work with the government and give salaries to employees in isolation or quarantine, the government will increase their tax breaks.
There is a high consensus between the government and opposition on the subsidies. The bailout bill is being expedited with the goal of passing next Tuesday and coming into effect quickly to blunt the virus impact.